Are you moving your website to a new domain but worried about losing traffic, SEO value, and backlinks? Your website migration may be complete, but the traffic migration is the most important step. Google won't redirect your visitors unless you set proper 301 redirects. And a perfect traffic migration means this: when someone visits your old domain, they should land on your new domain with the exact same URL path or permalink. In this video, I'll show you how to do that perfectly using the Redirect Master plugin. No coding, no htaccess editing, just a few clicks to redirect your old domain, old URLs, and your entire website to the new domain the right way. You see, many pages of my digital web tutor website are indexed in Google, but we just rebranded our website to wpwiki.space, the same website, same content, but new domain. But the problem is that the post's URL is already in Google, and I am getting some traffic too. But what if I am changing the domain name? Google will still give traffic to digitalwebtutor.com instead of my new domain, wpwiki.space. To solve this problem, we will use the Redirect Master WordPress plugin. Just search Redirect Master in Google. You will find this plugin at dominipress.com. You can browse this site to understand more, but we are shortly visiting to pricing part. It has both a yearly plan and a lifetime plan. Choose your desired plan. At first, create an account. Give full name, email address, and password. This password will be used in the Redirect Master license management. Make sure you remember it. Now give payment details. Then review the order. Sometimes you may be asked for CAPTCHA verification. Just verify that you are not a robot, then click on Pay and Subscribe. The subscription was successful. It says to check your email inbox or the spam folder. But the good thing is you don't need to check your email. Just log in to DominiPress with your credentials. See, it already synced that you enrolled in a product. To get the license key, go to the License menu. And to download the plugin, go Downloads menu. You can also find these things in your email. Let me show you the process of downloading the plugin from your email. Click on this link. Download started. Once downloaded, go to the admin dashboard of your old website. Upload the plugin and activate it. Now copy the license key and activate it. The Redirect Master setting page appears. Now paste the destination URL. Make sure you paste the domain only. Now select what redirection mode you want to set. You want all traffic to go to the new domain's homepage or the same URL paths. Like if anyone hits this URL, then he should redirect to this new URL. For my site, I want this second option. Now save changes. Let's test if it works. Opening these links in a new tab. It doesn't redirect because we are logged in as admin of this website. Let me log out of our website and check again. See, it's working now. From today, all your existing traffic will automatically come to your new website, safely and perfectly. Redirect Master made the whole redirection and traffic migration process incredibly easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.